Fantastic. It's been so busy. The stand yesterday didn't stop from the minute the doors opened till the minute they shut. So really pleased.
Right from the start, you could hardly get moved on the first day of the show. The next day has been very similar. So I would say has exceeded expectations.
Really, really good. We were able to do a lot of advanced publicity, and we worked with the LAMMA team, who are brilliant. So lots of people have been coming to the stand knowing exactly why they're here, knowing what they're wanting to listen to. Really, really good. Very positive experience for us, and hopefully people have found it very interesting.
LAMMA is a massive part of the industry because it's got everything that they're going to come and see. You get farmers, not just arable farmers, I've spoken to beef farmers, dairy farmers, all sorts this year, looking for different bits. It's an industry where everyone can get together, they've got everything they need in one place. It's ideal, really.
We need a shop window for the machinery, agricultural machinery in the UK. LAMMA was always a very good show over at Peterborough there. A little bit cold in January though, so the great thing about coming over here to the NEC is particularly the guys and the customers can spend a bit of time and they'll, 5-10 minutes without saying, oh, it's cold, we've got to get in and get away.
We all know farmers are busy. We all know the industry is ridiculously busy. And when you have, maybe we didn't have, especially around us, the greatest weather at the end of last year, when you get a chance just to spend 8 hours in a day just to come and see absolutely everything in the industry, all the new inventions. When you can see all that in one place, it's just vital because it saves so much time for people, and also you can speak to people like us, on the show on the day, so it's vital for it.
We've enjoyed previous years with the LAMMA show to engage with our customers, and the footfall has increased quite drastically year on year, and it's a good opportunity at the start of the year to engage with more and more customers.
Been a Premier show for many years, but since it's moved to the NEC, we've been really impressed by the support that we've seen for LAMMA, and this year has been absolutely incredible, the amount of people here.
We had a phenomenal amount of interest, a lot of inquiries, and there's a lot for our new dealer network to follow up.
They're one of the few places where a lot of farmers get together. You see all over the place around the show, farmers all talking, meeting each other, and I think that kind of communication is where the industry needs to go in order to collaborate better as well. The same thing with the exhibitors, a lot of exhibitors talking to each other, working out how they can work with each other and that kind of thing. So beyond just trying to sell stuff, it's a really good collaborative place to be.